Okay, so I'm gonna put back. I've serviced my secondary. I'm gonna reinstall the spring. Um, install your spring cup or your spring retaining washer, and your nut, and then that's the right one. Yep. Let's get close. So, okay. So I'm just going to try and turn this spring a little bit more. So I'm going to get the marks lined up so I can reuse them, but I can just make new marks for the so same thing with tightening it. Two-step process. And I guess if you have a socket big enough, you could use a torque wrench. I think the torque specs are upwards of 67 pounds, but I'll have to double check that. That's it. If you want, you can get a marker and make new marks just to see. Gotta have a good pen to begin with, a good marker. Just so if when you service it next time, make sure it hasn't moved on you. There you go. Secondary service complete.